we detected an unusual trade worth $18 million dollars on Microsoft stock right after our own MSFT options trade gained over 200% profit. That gain came because Microsoft reported strong earnings and the stock moved up significantly. And so in this video, we'll show you how we updated our trade into a no-loss strategy to manage risk based on new data from $18 million dollars of unusual option activity. Now, if you've been following our channel, you know that we went long bullish on this day, April 24th, before Microsoft reported earnings, because we detected unusual option activity, which tracks the trades of wealthy investors. This was the video analysis we shared on our channel, where we broke down a $12 million options trade to decide whether to buy or sell Microsoft stock before earnings. And we concluded that the data was clearly flashing a buy signal. And as it turns out, that analysis was spot on because Microsoft stock soared after earnings and is now trading at $435 per share. And so if you want to learn more about how we did this, we'll put a link to this video up here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on these very profitable opportunities. Now, how much profit did we gain from our Microsoft trade? Because understanding how much profit was made is what allows us to set up a no-loss strategy. So you can see that if we traded the stock, we would have gained about 12%. But since we traded options, we had the leverage to gain more. And so this was our options trade for the August 15 options at the 430 strike calls, which was $850 per contract when we entered the trade back on April 24th. Keep in mind, this shows option prices, so we either move the decimal 2 times to the right or multiply by 100, since each option contract represents 100 shares of stock. And so according to this profit loss graph, we have a profit of $2,029 per contract or trade. This graph already takes into account the cost of our trade, which is why you can see here in the blue color, we would have been at a loss or minus $850 if the stock had gone down. And so we can calculate the profit percentage by taking this $2,029 of profit, divide by $850 of cost. And now to turn that into a percentage, we simply multiply by 100, and that gives us a return of 238% profit. In other words, we made more than double our original investment on this trade. And so this is yet another real-time example of how we keep winning using data-driven analysis and trading strategies that track the trades of wealthy investors. Because understanding where money flows gives us deep insights into potential stock moves in the market. The rich often have better access to information, sometimes even leaked insider information that help them make smarter financial decisions. It's no secret that the rich get richer when they trade based on deeper insights. And so if you want to get access to more of these smart insights from the rich, then just head over to our website. We'll put a link up here where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now, with that being said, not all unusual trades will be winners, but as long as we use strategies with a better risk-to-reward ratio to maximize profits and minimize losses, then we can stay consistently profitable over the long run. And so, as a real-time example, let's go over how we updated our Microsoft trade into a risk-free option strategy with no possible loss based on new data from $18 million of unusual option activity. As you can see here on the option chain, our trade for the August 15 options at the 430 strike calls, notice how much they are now worth, between $2,810 to $2,950. And we originally bought these for $850, which is how we made about $2,000 of profit per contract. And so we closed our position and rolled these options to a higher strike price. You can see our new position here. POS stands for our position, and the green color means a buy position, where we paid less than $2,000 at the 450 strike calls. And so by closing these 430 strike calls, by selling them, we are effectively locking in profits because we are rolling them to these 450 strike calls, which cost less than our profits. Since we rolled over more profit from our previous trade, we entered this new one at a credit instead of a debit. And so when we analyze our trade now, you can see here on the risk profile graph, the buy position cancels out the sell position because they are the same August 15 options at the 430 strike calls. So we are just left with the 450 strike calls that expire August 15. And so on the graph, the profit or loss shows up here. If Microsoft stock goes down, our trade would not have any negative loss because we've locked in more profits than the cost of our new trade. And that is how we updated our option strategy to manage risk by minimizing losses. In this case, we eliminated any possible losses while still giving us the chance to gain more profits if the stock moves higher. This is exactly why we always use option strategies with a better risk to reward ratio to gain an edge in the markets, not only following the smart money trades of wealthy investors. Speaking of their trades, they were buying these August 15 options at the 450 strike calls based on the latest data from unusual option activity. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, the most unusual trade happened on May 2nd at 10:04 at the 8-second mark for these same August 15 options at the 450 strike calls. Thousands of contracts were being traded multiple times, all at the same price of 2010. So to estimate the total cost, we multiply the price by the total number of contracts traded. Since all of these trades are for the same option, we can add up the quantities. 2,500 plus 2,500 plus 2,001 plus 2,000, which equals a total of 9,001 contracts. And so we multiply this by the price of 2010. Keep in mind that options are priced per share, and each options contract represents 100 shares of stock. So we multiply by 100 or simply move the decimal 2 places to the right. That means each contract costs $2,010. So we multiply that by the 9,001 contracts, and we get a total trade cost of $18 million for this unusual option activity. Now, how did we know these 9,001 contracts were new opening trades and not closing trades? Well, because if we check the historical data from May 1st, the day before this unusual option activity appeared on May 2nd, we can see something very important. On the option chain for the August 15 options at the 450 strike calls, there were only 2,287 open contracts. So clearly, it would not be possible to close out 9,000 contracts if only 2,000 were open beforehand, meaning this wealthy investor was opening a new trade. This data is very important to figure out because if a wealthy investor is closing out contracts or trades, it could mean they're worried about that stock. So maybe it's not the right time for us to jump in. On the flip side, if a wealthy investor is opening contracts, like in this case, it could signal an opportunity for us to start a new trade. And so we always take this extra step to analyze the data at a deeper level because many other websites and scanners don't. They report all high volume unusual trades without filtering out closing trades, which leads to wrong results and losses for those following unusual option activity. And that is why we have more winning trades than other websites. If you want to learn more about our strategies to increase profits, go to our website. We'll put a link here. If you missed our previous analysis on Microsoft, we'll link that as well, so you can see how we predicted this earnings rally that led to a 238% profit, allowing us to enter a strategy now to trade risk-free. As always, please like, subscribe, and until next time, let's keep tracking the trades of the rich so everyday investors can profit too. Take care and have a wonderful day.